Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take a screenshot on Samsung A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to take a screenshot, all you need to do is go ahead, press the power button and then the volume down button together at the same time. Once you do that, then you should see your screenshot like this. Now, if you're on any web page that supports screenshots, you can just go to the website or any application that supports screenshots. You can easily go to the page, go ahead, press and hold the power button and then the volume down button together at the same time. These two buttons can be used to take a screenshot on your phone. So let's say you want to take a screenshot of this entire page, then press the power and then the volume down button together. Then you can just go ahead and click on it and then you can share, you can see the information about the page, you can also delete the screenshot and then you're good. So that's exactly how to take a screenshot on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.